Let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you sing, you begin with do, re, mi. When you tap, you begin with brush, tap, heel.
Brush, tap, heel.
Brush, tap, heel. The very first flap just happened to be brush, tap, heel.
Brush, tap, heel.
Brush, tap, heel, shuffle, change, pick up, toe. Huh? Okay, let's see if I can make it easier. Brush, tap, heel, shuffle, change, pick up, toe. That will bring us back to brush, tap,
Heel. Shuffle. Change. Pick up. Go. That will bring us back to
brush,
tap. Heel. Shuffle.
change, pick up,
Do.
brush,
Tap. Heel. Shuffle.
change, pick up.
Do.
Brush, tap, heel, shuffle, change, and so on. They're only the tools you use to tap along. Once you have these steps in your feet, you can make a million different sounds just by mixing them up. Like this. Brush, tap, heel, shuffle, tap, heel, heel. How can you do that?
Brush, tap, heel, shuffle, tap, heel, heel.
Shuffle, tap, heel, shuffle, tap, heel, heel.
Shuffle, tap, heel, shuffle, tap, heel, heel.
Now put them all together.
Brush, tap, heel, shuffle, tap, heel, heel. Shuffle, tap, heel, shuffle, tap, heel, heel.
Good! but it doesn't mean anything.
Oh, whatever. When you know how to brush and flap, you can dance while doing these steps.